Excommunicate yourself. Everything you are doing it about people. Everything you have ever done in your life, because they follow this money back up. Everything he made from the time he be the way play man in a mere for people. So many of you people cannot do without approval of other people. Everything in him, he dress nice. Hey, this thing, this thing, until you see that the people don't care about you the time he got in your down moment. I emphasize this. We are steady. We are steady. The time he got on at your lowest moment. Some people will come and see you to know your status, then to take the story and go outside and make a caricature of you. My brother, my sister, this world is deeper than you don't know. It's deep every day. Don't take this life lightly. Taking everything lightly. Prepare yourself. Activate your inner spirit. Make sure need it at every moment. Make sure need it anywhere you find yourself. When spirit bamoto na echene mwade. Bamoto go enter your car go. Hey, na one day pass kwa moto wa ni chase na enwem call, enwem emergency. Na enwem call. Good lie. Anyway, good lie. Good lie is a concept.